Hello, Sawaddeeka. I'm Pradichaya Poonyarit, cooklikeathai.com. This is Cook Like a Thai made simple. That's the whole idea. Cook like a Thai should be made simple. It shouldn't be difficult, but at the same time, Cook Like a Thai should be exactly what it says. Cook like a Thai. Welcome to Cook Like a Thai Made Simple with Pradichaya Poonyarit. This episode is brought to you by Cook Like a Thai. Cook authentically Thai with stories. The topic today is something that you're already interested, but may not even be aware. Okay, the topic is, behind me, Tomyumgoong. Who doesn't know Tomyumgoong? Tomyumgoong is the greatest dish. Okay, I won't say that. I won't say it's the greatest dish in case some of you are still on the sideline. But Tomyumgoong is truly one wonderful dish. And I think Thailand is the only country that makes tom yum. Nobody does it the way Thai people cook their tom yum. I say Tomyumgoong, and it's really, tom yum covers more than that. It started with fish. Fish is so common. And when I said fish, it's freshwater fish. Same thing with a goong. In Thailand, when you cook Tomyumgoong, you cook river prawn. But in America, everyone has much easier access to shrimps and not really prawns. Although you can get river prawns, I will show you where and how you can get them. So we started out with fish, tom yum pla, and we would use basically just about every part from head to tail of the fish, except the gut. The inside, get rid of that. We would cook the whole thing and turn that into tom yum. The really old way of making tom yum, it's a little more complex. I will put it that way. I almost roll my eyes up into my forehead. It's complex. And because I am a person of this generation, I'm much more comfortable doing it the way most of you know Tomyumgoong, but I can't even say that because that's not true. I do it the Thai way, the cook like a Thai way. And yeah, it's different, almost, if not halfway, completely different than the American Thai Tomyumgoong that you have tasted in restaurants. Yeah, so that's the whole thing. It seemed to be our problem. Let me tell you from my side, being an older Thai, living in the United States and having lived here for more than half of my life, I share mutual feelings with other Thais who are here. They are so not satisfied when they go get their Tomyumgoong or tom yum, whatever their nearby Thai restaurant offers. Because most Thai restaurants here, they don't cook for themselves, basically. They cook for you. And that already says a lot. When they cook for you, they think they have to do things differently because they're afraid that you won't fall in love with their Thai food that they're selling you. That's why most of the Thai dishes presented here are not the same Thai dishes the Thai people eat at home. Even the chefs themselves, they don't cook this way for the families. The reason is, well, because I'm not serving the Thais, I'm serving the Farang. The Farang just, in general term of any non-Thai person. They know in their hearts that it's really not the Thai way, but they do it anyway. When they cook at home, their food is a heck of a lot better than the food you get. My point, is there a point to this? You're a grown person. You can take this. You can take Thai food the way it really is, especially when what I'm about to tell you is a lot better than the food that you've known for a long time, ever since you start going out to Thai restaurant as tom yum or Tomyumgoong. Okay, first thing first is tom yum, not tom yum soup. Because tom means boil. You're boiling it already, so you don't have to say boil soup. So just say tom yum is fine. And even though these are two separate words, tom and yum, yum is to mix ingredients together with lime juice and chili. Lime is the leading what ingredient. Because of that, it creates this mouth-watering, thirst-quenching feeling. And usually you see yam in yam nua, what Thai people call here beef salad. Yam is really sour. So tom and yam, when you boil and yam, the refreshing, thirst-quenching, mouth-watering flavors, you add them together, that becomes tom yum. So tom yum really is a noun. So when you write it, it's tom yum together. It's one word. It's not tom space yum. A lot of people do that for the sake of making it easy to your eyes so you can say it simply. So wow, I don't want to get into this, but I have to. The way I write things, the way I spell it out, as you will see, is the way you're gonna pronounce the words. And usually I would string many syllables together. If one word is 5 syllables long, I will string 5 words together. But I will show you exactly how to say it with example and even the why. So if you want to do something Thai, you want to cook like a Thai, Thai is a big part of cooking. I view it important. And I think that you deserve to know from how to say the words, what the words mean, if that applies to the dishes that we're about to cook. Anything that has to do with the dish that you're gonna cook, then that's important. Tom yum. You think tom yum is hard to cook? You may say, nah, I just go get a pre-mixed. Now they even have powder, let me tell you. Those of you who really like shortcut, go for the powder. They put in herbs, seasoning, and some preservative to keep everything fresh, they say. All you have to do is to open it and just pour in water, add protein. You're done, basically. But this is not how I cook. This is not how just about every Thai person who cooks. Cook like a Thai is for you to cook the Thai way, the same way Thai people do. So tom yum has some herbs in it. Very simple. It doesn't require a lot. Doesn't take a long time to cook. Can be relatively inexpensive. You pick how much you want to pay. For tom yum, I wouldn't go for tiny shrimps. They will shrink, shrivel, and they will lose their flavor, even a little chewy. The bigger the shrimps, the better your tom yum. If you want to avoid shrimp, go for chicken. You can do fish. It's easy to make, as easy as the shrimp. I want to introduce you to the basic of tom yum today. This is one thing that's been in my mind forever. People tend to have this one ingredient misunderstood. You can find recipes just about anywhere and everyone will tell you, or they know how they cook their tom yum or how they think you should cook tom yum. Despite variations of tom yum, they will at least have 3 basic ingredients. But there's one ingredient in there that you may not be familiar with that you substitute for a similar ingredient, but it is not the same. And that ingredient is ta-da! I have in my hand galanga root. This is galangal. It took me a while to say it too because I'm not used to sticking an L behind G-A. Galanga, I always call it. It's called officially galanga root. I call it galanga and spell it that way. And Google said, it's wrong. This is very hard. Hard because it's been in the freezer. We call it aged ka or ka ge. Old galanga. It's very hard to cut. The vendor grocery store you go to will stick this in the freezer. Just buy it. You can keep it for a long time. Buy aged one because in tom yum you want your galanga to age a little bit, so it will produce this flavor, not so much the flavor but the smell. It will react with other ingredients and it will create this wonderful thing. And also Thai people would use it with tom yum with fish in it because fish sometimes, well, okay, not sometimes, a lot of time it smells, you know, fishy, and you want to not really mask it but turn it into something a little more desirable. So galanga is the thing to get rid of the fishy smell or seafood smell. Now, if you use river prawns, usually prawns don't have the fishy or prawny smell, so you won't use as much galanga. But in the case of shrimps, it depends. If you buy tail on, easy peel, shell on, tail on, that doesn't smell fishy, seafoody, or however you say it. It doesn't smell as bad. So you just use the normal amount of galanga. How do you use it? You get this, then what? Well, what you do is slice it. I would use a bigger knife and slice with the skin on. It's easier this way. In Thai kitchen, we have sharp spoon for peeling. But because of this, I don't know what you call this. In Thai is ba, which is eye. This is the part where the roots will grow. See that? The spot, the thing that looks like a mold sticking out from outside. Yeah, that will get in the way. So this is the reason that I would slice them before I peel them. And then I would bag them. I would bag the slices and freeze. Just like that. Let me show you how it looks inside. Galanga is really hard, like wood. And I would cut about this thick. What is this? Maybe less than a centimeter. Less than half an inch. From light yellow to dark yellow, it really depends on how aged the galanga root is. Now, this is basically ready for your tom yum. You cut, you slice the... I can't even talk today. Here, just take off the outside. You take off the skin. And you'll get that. And yeah, you use a few slices or a little more. That would be enough for your tom yum. And there are things, I wish you could smell it. This smells good. It smells really fresh. And slice or not slice, they stay in the freezer for a long time. See? Now, there's another choice for you, but it will cost you a little more, but sometimes worth it. In some cases, Asian store near you only bring in this kind of galanga. Frozen galanga slice right there. They'll be sliced really thin though. So however you like to buy it. Galanga is 1 out of 3 important ingredients in tom yum making. I interrupt this program because I have a very important note for you. Do not ever, never substitute galanga with anything else, especially with ginger. Galanga and ginger are not the same. They're not the same even though they are in the same family. Do not put ginger in your tom yum or tom kha. Kha is galanga. You don't want to change from tom kha to tom king, or tom yum is not tom yum. As soon as you put in ginger, then I don't know what you're making. So please, I beg you, do not substitute galanga with anything. Okay, we have a deal? Alright, this is it for today. Like, subscribe. You're on YouTube or podcast. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you in the next episode. Why only cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai? I have great news for you. If you want to proceed to the next step, which is the rest of the ingredients and the whole recipe, plus a little background story delivered to you right in your email inbox. Click the link and sign up, and it's a gift to you. This is to thank you for watching, listening, and learning from Cook Like a Thai Made Simple. Why just cook Thai food when you can cook like a Thai with me, Pradichaya Poonyarit, your friend? So go sign up right now. Don't wait. Go now. I'll see you at the other side of Tomyumgoong Made Simple. Cook authentic Tomyumgoong like Yes, a true Thai. So don't wait, run, go sign up now. Thank you ขอบคุณมากค่ะ and สวัสดีค่ะ